Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you how to use the Beanstack app on a mobile device like a cell phone or tablet to track or log your reading. Don't forget to check out our other videos on how to use Beanstack. Beanstack provides you access to a number of different reading challenges created by your local library. Challenges include everything from 1,000 books before kindergarten to the 21 and 21 reading challenge, which challenges adult readers to read 21 books over the year 2021, spanning a number of different subject categories and genres. Let's get started. At this point, I have opened my Beanstack app and it has remembered my account information that I previously created. I see sections for my reading stats, recent books I have logged, and current reading challenges. Since this is my first time using the app, all of my sections are currently empty. To log reading time and start recording my reading stats, I will click the log button at the bottom of my app. I will need to add the title of a book I am currently reading, so I will click the plus button at the bottom of the screen. I will then click the reading button to the left. I have several options for entering a book title, including scanning the ISBN. I will search for a title, so I will click the Search for a Title link. From the next screen, I will enter the title of the book I want to log in the search bar. Then I can select my title from the list of results, which in this example is the first one on the list. From the following screen, I can see various information about my book, including the author and total number of pages. I can go ahead and click the Save button to confirm. Now that my book is saved, I can click the Start Reading Session button to start a timer. At this point, after starting the timer, I would begin reading my book. After I'm done reading, I would click the Done button on my Beanstack app, which would stop the time counter. Then I'm prompted to enter which page number I started on, and then what page number I last read. I also have the option of telling Beanstack whether I just finished the book or not. I will go ahead and click Finish, and then I'm redirected to a list of my books, which I only have one at this moment. I'll go ahead and click the Home button, and now I should see some stats, including pages read, books read, and reading session. I can click the View Detailed Statistics and get additional statistics, though I've only logged just a few seconds of reading time this time. But as I grow my reading stats, I will see more activity here. If you have any questions about how to use Beanstack, be sure to check out our other videos or call your local library for assistance.